Hey everyone, welcome. Let's get into the amazing world of electricity.
It feels like magic, right? Well, it's actually pure science, and we're going to find out how.
Okay, let's begin. We're diving into the key concepts for your Class 8 syllabus.
So, we've got two main goals. First, understanding the flow. Second, seeing its cool chemical tricks.
First up, let's talk about what electricity actually is. It's really all about flow.
Think of it like water flowing through a pipe. This flow of charge is called electric current.
This brings us to two really important types of materials. Let's check them out.
On one side, we have conductors, which let electricity pass. On the other, insulators, which block it.
Metals, like the copper and wires, are awesome conductors. That's why we use them for electricity.
And things like plastic and rubber, they're insulators. They cover wires to keep us safe.
Okay, so what about liquids? Do you think they can act like wires and conduct electricity?
The answer is yes. And when they do, really cool stuff happens. This is our next concept.
Let's explore the chemical effects of electric current. This is where it gets really fun.
So this isn't just a simple flow anymore. The electricity is now actually changing the liquid itself.
One of the most famous effects is called electroplating. It's like giving an object a new metal skin.
So how's it done? Let's imagine we want to coat a simple iron spoon with shiny copper.
It's a pretty simple three-step process. Make a special liquid, build a circuit, and pass the current.
Now here's the magic. As current flows, copper from the solution slowly deposits right onto the spoon.
And just like that, you have a copper-plated spoon. This process has so many real-world uses.
Okay, you've learned the concepts, so it's time for a quick quiz. Let's see what you remember. Look at these statements on your screen. Pause here and decide if they are true or false.
All right, let's check your answers. Number 1 is false. Plastic is an insulator. Number 2 is true. And number 3 is false. So, how'd you do? Hey, don't worry if you got any wrong. That's how we learn. Let's do a quick recap. Today, we learned about electric current, conductors, and insulators, and the magic of electroplating. The main takeaway is this. Electricity does more than just power our devices. It can literally create new things. Here is your homework. Think shiny taps, bicycle handles, or even jewelry. Tell us what you find in the comments.